In this video, we will discuss what is dispersion of light and how dispersion of light occurs in a glass prism, and also the example of dispersion, how dispersion occurs in case of rainbow. So what is dispersion? When a narrow beam of white light, basically sunlight, is allowed to pass through a glass prism, it splits into 7 colors, namely violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. We usually call it as vigor. This phenomenon of splitting of beam of white light into its 7 constituent colors when passed through a transparent medium is called dispersion. Okay, so basically dispersion means splitting of sunlight or white light into 7 constituent colors. Then what is spectrum? You see, this is a prism, glass prism. White light is allowed to pass through this glass prism at certain angle. Angle is also important. You create a beam of white light by means of a pinhole. By means of a pinhole, you allow white light to fall on this prism. Then you will see in the other side, on the other side of the prism, you will see a band of colors starting from red and ending with violet. Okay, the band of colored components of a light beam is called spectrum. So this is called spectrum. So what is the cause of dispersion of white light through a glass prism? The cause of dispersion is refraction of different colors. Okay, dispersion arises due to refraction of different colors. When different colors of light pass through the glass prism, the deviation produced by different colors will be different. Okay, different colors of light bend through different angles with respect to the incident ray. The red light bends the least, while the violet light bend the most. The spectrum of sunlight was first discovered by Isaac Newton. Remember, Isaac Newton is the first man to demonstrate the spectrum of sunlight. What he did, he took a glass prism and allowed sunlight to pass through it, or white light, that basically sunlight to pass through it, and then Newton observed the splitting of this white light into 7 colors. Okay. Then Newton tried to split the spectrum by using another similar prism. He placed another similar prism here. Okay, in this position. But he could not get any more colors. If you place another prism here like this in this position, then you will not get any further colors. You only get only these 7 colors from red to violet. Okay. He then placed a second identical prism in an inverted position. You can see this is a prism, second prism, which is in inverted position. What he found? He found a beam of white light emerging from the other side of the second prism. What he found out? he found out a white light emerging from the other side, which he observed it from by placing a screen here. If you place a screen here, you will see a white light will come from this inverted prism. Okay, so this gave the idea that sunlight is made up of 7 colors. Okay, and what is white light? How you can define white light? Any light that gives a spectrum similar to that of the sunlight is often called a white light. The best natural observation or example of rainbow of dispersion of light is the rainbow. A rainbow is a natural spectrum appearing in the sky after a rain shower. What is a rain shower? Rain shower means if the duration of the rain is for a small interval of time, then it is called a rain shower. And a rainbow occurs if the duration of the rain is for a small interval of time. Okay. Why it is called a rainbow? You see, this is a rainbow. The outer line of the bow. Why it is called a rainbow? Because it looks like a bow. Okay, it looks like a bow, so it is called a rainbow. The outer side of the rainbow is basically red, and the inner side of the rainbow is basically violet. And what is the cause of rainbow? Rainbow is caused by dispersion of sunlight by tiny water droplets. Remember, rainbow is caused by dispersion of sunlight by tiny or small water droplets present in the atmosphere. You see, this is a water droplet and this is sun. White light is coming from the sun. This is the light coming from the sun. When it enters the droplet, after entering the droplet or water drop, what happens? It dispersed. It splits into 7 colors from red to violet. Okay. Again, inside this drop here, what happens? Total internal reflection takes place. Here total internal reflection takes place. Total internal reflection is a refraction where light after when the angle of incidence is more than the critical angle, instead of refraction, reflection will take place. So total internal reflection takes place here. Again here the light refracted. Again refraction takes place here. So here dispersion arises, here total internal reflection arises, here again refraction arises. After refraction, the light falls on the eye of the observer. So on the eye of the observer, the observer will see the color of light from red to violet, and we say this is rainbow. So rainbow is always formed in a direction opposite to that of the sun. Remember, a rainbow always forms in a opposite direction of the sun. If the sun remains here, rainbow forms here. So you can also see a rainbow near waterfall or water fountain with the sun behind you. If you have waterfall here and sun here, then also you can observe rainbow. By if a observer is here, then you can see the rainbow. There are also other observations on dispersion which we will discuss in our next videos. Thank you.